He said there was still a lot left, so he's going back for round 2. Has to try to get the queen. If he gets the queen into his hive, they'll all swarm over there. How was the honey?
It was good. The wax, not so good.
Were you low to eat the honey?
Yeah.
Honey was good?
Yeah.
Fresh honey for a nice
Carmen.
low. How's that honey?
Good.
Let's take a look.
Kind of bit it, but
Ooh. Did you eat the wax part
the
too?
wax, no. The wax kind of sucks.
The honeycomb. Okay, he's going back up. Watch. Okay, fine. Whoa. Now I think he got them all. What do you spray them with?
Water.
Okay. Wow, they're already on there. What's it doing? Well, that was crazy. How many bees do you think were up there?
I got bees in this